This move-in condition, 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath, traditional style home is located in a high-demand residential area. The list price has recently been reduced to $250,000. Interior features of this property include recent renovations to the interior, large bedrooms, walk-in closets, both tile and carpeted flooring, a gas fireplace, stainless steel appliances, a microwave oven, a formal dining room, a formal living room, a washer and dryer, central air conditioning, crown molding, natural gas heat, skylight, and a bay window. This property has high-speed internet service available. On the outside, this property features a patio. Community amenities include a swimming pool, a tennis facility, a community clubhouse, an active property owners association, a bicycle or walking path, and close proximity to shopping and dining. Additional information is as follows.
Updated townhome as move-in condition. Recently replaced carpets and nice tile flooring in this low-maintenance home. Recently painted and nice upgraded stainless steel appliances convey. The kitchen is open to the cozy den with corner gas fireplace. There is a formal dining room with chair railing and the living room has lots of natural light. The master bedroom has cathedral ceiling and ensuite bath.
The approximate square footage is 1,537 square feet. This property is represented by
Sabrina Thompson, Long and Foster Real Estate.